Once we know more about purchase orders and in the system, we can go and check purchase invoices. If your company doesn't use items, you can use only purchase invoices. Of course, if you use item, you can also use purchase invoices. I will show you how to use it. You can find purchase invoices in your row center. Of course, it is also available in purchasing department, in purchase invoices. System, as always, opens it as a list. So let's open one of the existing invoices. I will show you some fields. So we have the number and the vendor number in the header. This is why, because we have one numbering series activated. As you remember, when you go to purchase and payable setup, you can see that we have this numbering series connected. If we want to add more, we need to go to relationships. Let's open the invoice again. We have some address and contact information. This is also connection with our contact in the system. We have document date. Based on this date, due date is calculated. It's calculated using payment terms. We have a current month, so the due date will be on the end of the current month. So if I will change the document date, this will not change. If I pick, for example, 7 days, now system is recalculating due date based on document date, for example, in this way. The posting date means the date that all the entries will show in the ledgers. We can put vendor invoice number, some purchaser code, and posting numbering series. If you want to decide what numbering series will be used after posting, you can show this field and change it here. In invoice details, you will find some currency information. If it's blank, the invoice will be in your local currency. We will change it later. I will show you how to change it and what are the changes on the invoice when you do it. We have prices including VAT. When you change it, system will calculate direct unit cost from the gross amount. So if I change it, system will change the values. So now if I put 10,000, system will calculate it down to 8,000 as a net value. Okay, I can change it back to 10,000. It will be 12.5. As I said before, we have payment terms, payment methods. Here I can tell with what kind of bank or payment it will be. I can put also department code and area code. Those are my two global dimensions. If I choose it on the header, system will ask me if I want to change it in the lines. If I do, system will also update this department code in the line. Of course, I can change it from here and have different one on the line and different in the header. Shipping and payment, so the place to deliver goods. This is our company address and some foreign trade parameters.